So guys, today we are making the ultimate finger licking KFC style fried chicken. Absolutely delicious and so simple to make. Get yourself 1 cup of buttermilk. I'm using some chicken drumsticks and some chicken thighs. Make sure you keep the skin on. It all adds to the flavour and goes beautiful later on. 2 types of flour. I've got half a cup of plain, half a cup of corn flour. And then here's my herbs and spices. The full list of ingredients that I'm using in my herbs and spices is in the description down below, guys, so check that out. So first thing you want to do is get all your herbs and spices, chuck that into your flour mix, and then give that a really good combine together to make sure all the ingredients are really well incorporated. So from there, get your chicken into a big mixing bowl. Make sure it's a nice big mixing bowl. So what we're going to do now is just season this with a little bit of Sally salt, a bit of Percy pepper, and then you just want to add over your buttermilk. Make sure it's all covered and there's plenty in there. So you want to get a glove on, obviously just give that a really good mix and combine together, and then you're going to want to put this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Overnight will be better, it will make the chicken go tender. So once you've got your marinated chicken, all we're going to do now is literally just toss it around inside your flour. Make sure it's got a really good coating of flour on the outside of this. It will go really crispy and beautiful. So once you've got plenty on, just shake off any excess. And then there you go, you're ready to fry. Okay, so a little bit of safety obviously around a deep fat fryer, especially if you're using a hob one like mine. Don't overcrowd it, so I do mine in batches. I only cook 3 at a time in this one. So put your 3 pieces of chicken into the basket. I've got my heat on a medium to high, and then slowly lower your chicken into there. We're going to cook this in the fryer for about probably 15 to 20 minutes. If it starts to get a little bit too dark, take it out and you can finish it off in the oven to make sure the chicken is fully cooked through. And there you go, guys, it's as simple as that. Absolutely delicious fried chicken recipe that's just as good as any KFC out there. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become part of the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.